just took a little walk on the Santa Cruz Pier and did some stretching, and we just made a smoothie.
Yeah, made our first smoothie in the van.
So that was nice
Yeah.
that we finally did that.
Yeah.
Still feeling a little tired, wanting to go slow, but we realized that
We haven't showed you the van yet. So this is semi-filtered. We did reorganize a little bit, but just wanted to give you an authentic look of how messy and a little chaotic our van life is right now.
Yeah, a little chaotic, trying to figure things out.
Yeah. So let's go see. All right. Here's the living room, kitchen, all in one. Fridge, solar battery, table, got our shades back there. And as you can see, it's just a lot of extra stuff that is shuffling around. This is some extra food and stuff that we brought with us because we didn't want to leave it. This type of stuff will live up here once we build a shelf. Can I get in and show?
Yeah, and then we have, and here it's a work in progress.
But our fresh water is the blue, dirty water is the clear.
Yeah, trash, compost, recycling in the back.
Yeah.
So we have that. Got some plants in the sink because they are not secure yet, which we found was an issue already. And we have our little cubbies. Little cubbies here. We made like wood design as well. We have our little book cabinet and journal here. There's and yeah, that's pretty much it. And in the front, we have a couple plants right here. Kind of keep shifting them around. But yeah, that is about it for now. I'll show you more when things are a little bit more organized.
Yeah, so off to the store and gonna try and do some organization. The seat does swivel, but we're not gonna take time to show it to you yet. Yeah.
See you later. Let's go.
It's the Wolf Pack. WOOF.